Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised pork ribs with rice cakes. Just look at this dish. Glossy ribs, tender and juicy, paired with soft and chewy rice cakes. It's the kind of comfort food that makes you instantly hungry when the moment you see it. This is the pork ribs I picked up from the market this morning. Give them a good wash. And here is our rice cakes. You can usually find this at any Asian grocery store. For aromatics, we will need a bit of scallion, some ginger, bay leaf, star anise. Alright, let's get cooking. First, place the ribs in the wok with cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Once the water comes to a boil, let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then take the ribs out. Rinse them with warm water and drain well. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add the ribs. I prefer using an iron wok for stir frying, but it has to be really hot, with hot oil and high heat. Otherwise, the meat will stick. When it's done right, you get that real wok hay flavor. Give them a quick sear until the surface turns slightly golden. Don't cook them too long, otherwise the meat will turn tough. Next, toss in the aromatics and stir fry until fragrant. Pour in some hot water, just enough to cover the ribs. Then add the cola until the ribs are fully submerged. Season with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Once it boils, cover the lid and let it simmer on low heat for about 40 minutes. Time's up, open the lid and remove the aromatics. Now add the rice cakes. 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of MSG. Let it cook on low heat for another 10 minutes. Look at that, the sauce has thickened beautifully and everything is glossy and coated. Time to serve. Wow, tell me you are not craving this right now. Nobody can resist. Kids love it, adults love it. It's always a crowd pleaser. Let me test it. The ribs are so tender, they fall right off the bone. And the rice cakes are perfectly soft and chewy. Absolutely delicious. It's super easy to make, so give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.